Hello my dear little buddies, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to learn about this or that. This or that. So children, do you know what is this? This is a word we use to talk about something that is close to us or something we are pointing to. If you are holding a toy, and you say, I like this toy, you are talking about the toy you have in your hand. Okay? Children, what is that? That is a word we use to talk about something that is farther away from us or something we are pointing to. For example, if you see a kite in the sky and you say, look at that kite, you are talking about the kite that is up in the sky and not close to you. This is my favorite toy. Do you see this toy? This is my favorite toy. Do you see this toy? This crayon is red. Let's use this crayon to draw a picture. Let's use the crayon to draw a picture. This is a yummy apple. We can eat this apple for a snack. Look at here. This is a yummy apple. We can eat this apple for a snack. हम इस एप्पल को स्नैक की तरह खा सकते हैं. And apple is healthy for us. Next, that. See that toy over there. It's on the shelf. See that toy over there. It's on the shelf. Next, that. Look at that bird. Look at that bird in the sky. It's flying very high. That plant by the window has big leaves. That plant by the window has big leaves. इस पौधे के leaves बहुत बड़े-बड़े हैं.
Now it is classwork time. Let's solve the question.
Now it's quiz time. So ready? Fill in the blank. Do you see dash sandwich? It's on the table. Anyone? Yes. Do you see that sandwich? It's on the table. Next, Dash is my cat. Dash is my cat. Dash cat loves to play with a ball. Very good, children. This is my cat. This cat loves to play with a ball. Okay?
Do it yourself. Now it is worksheet time. Kids to practice what they have learned now. Parents can download the worksheet from the link provided in the description below. After completing the worksheet, the same needs to be mailed at edu@udayankidz.com. Our academic team will review and return the check sheet to the same email ID.
I hope you all have enjoyed this video. See you in next class. Bye bye, children. Take care.
Let's make learning fun for everyone. Like, share, and subscribe Udayan Kids.